剪刀气缸也可以理解成就是切刀吧？啊，是不是切刀更准确啊？那个剪刀
可以啊，
也
可以啊，
啊，是一样的吧？
一样。
Hi Tina, let me explain the parts of the machine to you. And this is the hopper. This is the hopper of the machine, and this is the conveyor. This is the feeding conveyor, and this is the loading roller, product loading roller, and this is the testing of voltage and internal resistance. There are two probes here. One is for voltage testing, and the other for internal resistance testing. And also you can see here there is a sensor. There is for sensing if there is cells within the hopper. If there is no the sensor here senses no the sensor here. This is the sensor. When it detects no here, no product here, it will alarm. And this is the probes for testing. And when the cell is tested, the voltage and internal resistance tested negative, not okay, it will auto rejects. There is a cylinder here for rejects. The cells not okay here. And this is the feeding conveyor. This is the side pushing cylinder for pushing the cells here. And this is the rotation cylinder for reverse the cells in the correct positive size or negative size. And this is a cylinder for feeding. 哎，这个叫什么气缸来着？这个叫什么气缸来着？
什么气
推
缸？
料气缸，对
推料气缸，对。
And this is cylinder for pushing the products to here. And here there are totally 14 stations for placing the cells. And for one feeding, at most 12 cells can be fed. And this is the tray. This is the tray for placing the nickel rolls here. And here, there is a cylinder for up pushing. This is the up pushing cylinder. I will push the cells up and for feeding. And this is the positioning cylinder. And this is the cylinder for cutting, the scissors cylinder for cutting. And this is the welding cylinder. And here, this is the discharge conveyor. And this is the roller. This is a U1. This is a U1 axis, and this is the X axis. And here there's also the product. This is the product release cylinder. Here is the compressed air inlet, and also the power supply, electric power supply. This is the gear motor for discharge belt. And this station is for the rear welding, and on the other side is the front welding station. And this cylinder is for side pushing. And this is the stepping motor. This stepping motor is controlling the roller. It controls the loading, the feeding roller, the loading roller. And this cylinder is for rejects the rejected fat cells with raw positive and negative side. And this is the gear motor for the conveyor, for the feeding conveyor.